most important factor in on-page? Just write the name. What is the most important factor in on-page SEO? SEO title. Abdul, fantastic. Clapping for you. Abdul is right. SEO title is the most important. CTR is an important factor, but SEO title is the most important factor where you have to place your keywords, right? So SEO title, yes, SEO title is the most important factor in on-page SEO, right? Okay, so if you are trying to get backlinks from other website, what you are doing? If you Pradeep Bhanu, you are the new entry like Pradeep. First time I'm seeing your name. Hi, anyways, hi, hello everyone. So that just I'm asking that if you are trying to get backlinks from other website, if you are trying to get backlinks from other website, then what is this process called? Time spent? No, it's not the time spent. If you are going to other website and asking them to give you a link, then what is this process of getting backlinks from other website? What it is called? अगर आप किसी दूसरी वेबसाइट पे जा करके किसी डायरेक्टरी वेबसाइट पे किसी फोरम वेबसाइट पे किसी सोशल मीडिया वेबसाइट पे जाकर अपनी वेबसाइट की लिंक देते हो, it is click through rate. No, it's not click through rate. If you are trying to get backlinks from other website, then it is called off page SEO. Have you like do you guys leave everything after this classes? Like SEO ये जो क्लास होती है उसके बाद सब कुछ यहीं पे छोड़ देते हो, साथ में कुछ लेके जाते हैं दिमाग में? Okay, so you understand, now you understand off page. Off page means when you are going to other website and you are asking them to give you a backlink, then it is called off page SEO, right? So okay, just write 5 things which you can do on page. On page SEO, just write 5 activities which you will do for on page SEO. Write 5 activities which you can do for on page SEO. SEO title, yes, SEO title, how many characters? SEO title में कितने characters होने चाहिए? SEO title में 66 characters. Very right. Description, very right. Second is the descriptions. Description में कितने characters होने चाहिए? Descriptions में कितने characters होने चाहिए? 66 is the 160. Yes, Abdul is right. 160 is fine. So second factor is you are writing that title descriptions, and third is time spent is a factor, but I'm talking about the activities which you can do on your website to improve. So write me the activities, not that result. Time spent, increasing the time spent is a result of your activity. Just write the activities which you will do for on page. Page views, you will increase the page views, but how you can increase the page views? What activity you will do to increase the page views? You are saying time spent. It's a yes, time spent is a factor in ranking, page views is a factor in ranking, but how you will improve the time spent, how you will improve the page views? What activity you will do on your website to improve the time spent? What activity you will do on your website to improve the page views? No idea? Promoting it? No. I'm talking about on page. If you have to increase the page views, you will do very fantastic interlinking within your website. If you will link, yes, a strong interlink. If you can link web pages very strongly, then you can increase the number of pages viewed by your user will be increased. And how you can increase the time spent? Menu navigations. Yes, very fantastic, very structured, very well thought navigations will improve your number of pages viewed by a single user. So yes, related pages will also increase the number at the end of the page. You can give the related pages, most commented pages, latest pages, most popular pages, latest things. Yes, exactly. Yes, you can give the search option. You can give that search functionality. People are searching on your website, then they can view more pages. Yes, you can also give them the most popular page options. You can give them And attractive content for increasing the time spent. Attractive content, interesting topic, that is for the improving that time spent on your website. So how, what else are activity you will do to improve time spent on your website? How you will make sure that people are coming to your website and they are spending lot of time on your website? That interesting content, attractive content is fine. What else? और क्या कर सकते हैं? Images, exactly. You will provide related images. And what else? और क्या कर सकते हैं? That, or what else? You can improve the scannability of the website. You can write proper heading, proper paragraph heading. You will write content in a small paragraphs. You will provide your content in the listing format, in the bulleted format, so that people start reading that. You will provide the content in such a way that it should be easy to digest. You will not provide all the content in one place. You can break the content in the different paragraphs, and at one time you are providing one type of content, and when people are scrolling there, you are giving the different content. So scannability and readability, you can improve the scannability. Have you heard about scannability and readability? Have I discussed scannability and readability? Yes, listing bulleted format. Abdul, right? Yes, Satya is saying that. Yes, yeah. Review the blog, review or blog list. Yes, you can also provide the review and blog list. Yes, that will also improve your readability. That will also improve your page views. So 5 things I have asked. 5 things. What else you have discussed? एक तो बताया कि टाइटल में होना चाहिए कीवर्ड, डिस्क्रिप्शन में होना चाहिए कीवर्ड, टाइम स्पेंड बढ़ाने के लिए काम करेंगे, एंड पेज व्यूज बढ़ाने के लिए काम करेंगे. व्हाट एल्स यू कैन डू ऑन योर वेबसाइट टू improve the on page factors? Quote format, quotation, that it's easy to read. The quotation is very easy to read, so you can make stand out the content. You can make the content stand out by writing in the quotation format. Yes, if you're writing a lot of, like suppose you have written 1000 words article, so if if you are providing one small line in a quotation format, it's easy to read. So video descriptions, you can also embed the video. You can also embed the video, and that video you can also provide. That video will improve the time spent on your website. Images, infographics, that's fine. What else? और क्या कर सकते हैं अपनी वेबसाइट में? PPTs, this is a different type of content you are talking about. PPTs, PDF, that will improve the time spent on your website. Okay, what और क्या कर सकते हैं? So this is the list. I'm just reviewing. Domain में नाम डाल सकते हैं, URL में डाल सकते हैं, कीवर्ड SEO के टाइटल में डाल सकते हैं. You will work to improve the CTR. What is CTR? What is full form of CTR? What is the full form of CTR? What is the full form of CTR? Click-through rate. Click-through rate. What is click-through rate? Can you define click-through rate? What is the formula for click-through rate? Click-through rate, right? Dinesh, Satya, Abdul, you are right that click-through rate, CTR is the full form of CTR is click-through rate. What is the formula? How CTR, click-through rate? Yes, Sai, right. What is the formula for CTR? Total clicks divided by total impression multiplied by 100. Satya, congrats. Thank you. So very nice. Satya, it's that you have. Abdul is also very right. Total clicks divided by total impressions multiplied by 100. Yes, congrats. You understand that. Now you understand that higher the CTR, your ranking will be improved. And image optimizations. Have you heard about image optimization? What you can do in the image optimization? Very fast. What things you can do in the image optimization? Image optimization में आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? Just give me the things which you can do in the image optimization. Image optimization में, if you have to do the image optimization, what you will do? Yes, apply the descriptive JPG. Yes, file name, image file name should have that keyword. Yes, image file name should have that keyword. Image title should have that keyword. Exactly. What else? Image name should have that keyword. Image title. Yes. What else? और image में क्या कर सकते हैं? Email, image URL. That is your file name. जो भी file name होगा उसके accordingly ही URL बनेगा. So if you are using the keywords in the title, then URL will be that keyword friendly. Caption, image caption. Image caption will appear just below the image. Image के नीचे जो words दिखाई देते हैं, that is called image caption. So if you are using the keywords in the image caption, then it's right. Then it will help you to optimize your image for that keyword. So you will use keyword in the image caption. Or what else? और कहाँ पे image optimization में और keyword कहाँ use करेंगे? Most important factor in image optimization where you must be using the keywords. Image optimization का सबसे important factor क्या है? PNG is the type of image. PNG is the type of image. Alt tag नाम सुना है? Alt tag, image alt tag का नाम सुना है? Have you heard about image alt tag? Image alt tag, yes, just note it somewhere in your mind or in your memory. Alt tag, image alt tag is the most important image optimization factor. Using the keywords in the image alt tag is the most important image optimization factor. If you have to use the image optimize, if you have to optimize your image or you have to use the keyword for the related image, then you make sure that use the keywords in the image alt tag. Image alt tag में keywords को जरूर use करेंगे. This is can search engine read the image? सर्च इंजन इमेज रीड कर सकते हैं? नो नो नो. Yes, so you are right, Abdul right, Satya right, Bharadwaj right. Thank you very much. So if you are using the keywords in these places, you are giving clue to the search engine that this image is related to this particular keyword, and this will also improve that keyword presence in that page, और उस पेज की भी रैंकिंग इंप्रूव होगी for that particular keyword. So that's fine. You will use in keyword interlinking में keyword use करेंगे, navigations में keyword use करेंगे, पूरे content को readable बनाएंगे, पूरे content को scannable बनाएंगे. We will use the keyword in the paragraph heading. We will use the keyword in the bulleted format. We will use the keyword in the most important pages of your सबसे it should be very easy to reach on your most important pages. कितने क्लिक्स में आपके मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पेज पे पहुंच जाना चाहिए आपके यूजर को? आपके यूजर को मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पेजेस पे पहुंचने के लिए कितने क्लिक्स, मैक्सिमम कितने? 3 क्लिक्स. अब्दुल, कांग्रेट्स. Thank you very much for answering. Satya, nice. 3 clicks. Within 3 clicks, your user should be able to reach to the most important pages of your website. So time spent, next is you can improve the time spent. We have talked enough about how you can improve the time spent. You can improve the page views. We have talked enough about the how you can improve the page views. And what is bounce rate? What is bounce rate? What is bounce rate? Anyone can define what is, in a very short, in a very in one word, or in even in 2-3 words, what is bounce rate? Anyone? Bounce rate, visitor seeing your website, visitor is seeing one and only one page. Exactly. Satya, very right. Thank you very much, Satya. And Bharadwaj, you are also very right. So if your visitor is visiting only one page of your website and they are closing your website or going back from your website, then it is yes, they will click on your website, और एक ही पेज देखने के बाद या तो वेबसाइट को बंद कर दें या बैक करके कहीं और चले जाते हैं, then it is called bounce rate. Bounce rate, high bounce rate is good for your website or low bounce rate is good for your website? High bounce rate ज्यादा अच्छा होता है या low bounce rate? Low. Who is saying high? Dinesh, where are you? Sai, where are you? Not everything is high. High सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता. Sometimes low is also good. Yes, right. So low bounce rate. If bounce rate should be low, Dinesh got it, and Sai got it. It's bounce rate should be low. The lower the bounce rate, better your ranking will be. बाउंस रेट इज अ क्लू टू द गूगल. बाउंस रेट का मतलब है कि जब बंदे आ रहे हैं आपकी वेबसाइट पे, एक से ज्यादा पेज विजिट कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है कि आपके पेज के कंटेंट को वो लाइक कर रहे हैं. एंड इफ द पर्सन इज सीइंग ओनली वन पेज, आपकी वेबसाइट पे आया, केवल एक पेज विजिट करके बंदा चला गया, इसका मतलब है कि विजिटर इज नॉट फाइंडिंग दैट पेज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. विजिटर इज नॉट एबल टू answer, like every visitor is coming with some questions and they are not able to find that answer on your page. That's why they are going. So it's a clue to the Google कि आपकी वेबसाइट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है, आपकी वेबसाइट बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. So these are the clue to the Google. So enough revision about on page. Have you revised your on page well? Okay, okay, nice, 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 nice. So we are moving towards off page. What is off page? What is off page? By definition, I have defined it many times. What is off page? Taking backlinks. Satya, very right. Collecting backlink. Bharadwaj, fantastic. Navya, backlink, nice. Collecting backlinks for the website. Abdul, fantastic. Collecting backlinks. Shakesh, very good, fantastic, nice. Thank you so much. So if you are trying any activities and Abdul, yes, from authority, yes, Abdul, very fantastic. Authority is one of the characteristic of getting backlinks. And what is the next characteristic? एक तो authority website से लेनी चाहिए backlinks, और किससे लेना चाहिए? Authority and relevant, fantastic. If you have to get backlinks, you have to get backlinks from the authority and relevant website. If your business is about let's suppose if your business is about jewelry, then you have to take backlinks from the related website. It's not good idea कि ज्वेलरी वेबसाइट के लिए मेडिकल से जाके मेडिकल वेबसाइट से लिंक लें, या ज्वेलरी वेबसाइट है तो उससे मैं ज्वेलरी की वेबसाइट का लिंक कहीं लेट्स सपोज बिल्कुल डिफरेंट ज्वेलरी की वेबसाइट का लिंक फैशन की वेबसाइट से हो सकता है, दैट्स फाइन. ज्वेलरी की वेबसाइट का लिंक लाइक स्टोन एंड आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी से हो सकता है, सेमी प्रीसियस मेटल से हो सकता है, बट ज्वेलरी की वेबसाइट का लिंक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग से नहीं हो सकता. डिजिटल जो ज्वेलरी की वेबसाइट का लिंक माइनिंग की वेबसाइट से नहीं हो सकता. ज्वेलरी की वेबसाइट का लिंक लैपटॉप की वेबसाइट से नहीं हो सकता. So that kind of relevancy and authority you have to make sure while taking any kind of link, right? So right now we are going to discuss, like I'm going to give you a list of the activities. Using that activity you can get lot of backlinks. These are the established way to get backlinks, but it doesn't mean कि यही केवल तरीका है. इसके अलावा भी और भी बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं. Got it? Yes. Funny is offline. What happened to funny? Jangala funny. Network issues. Okay. So now you understand कि are we part of struggling digital India? Digital India. You guys are part of digital India or struggling digital India? Yes, 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 yes. Directory submission. We are going to talk about all those methods struggling digital India. So we are very much hopeful in coming days. It will be very smooth digital India where internet connections and this network problem will not happen. But for now, we have to bear with it. That sometime from your end, sometime from our end. That yes, yeah, Abdul, right. So let's start with that off page. Yes, Satya, yes, we are very much hopeful to that we will be future leader of signing digital India. So let's start with the off-page activities. I'm just writing the list of the activities which you can use to get backlinks, and then I will show you one by one how you can do these activities. You can use online directory. There are so many online directories. You can go and find these online directories on the internet, and you will submit your website there. And if while submitting the website, you will make sure that you are submitting in the right category, you are submitting with right descriptions, right title about your website. And after that, online directory submissions के बाद आप online article submission, it's Moz के बदले में this is DMoz, it's not Moz, DMoz. Moz is the, you can note down somewhere, Moz is the SEO. जैसे WP Beginners मैंने बताया था, WP Beginners where you can go and learn about WordPress website. In the same way, you can go to the Moz website. This is one of the very fantastic, very impressive one-stop solution for any kind of SEO knowledge. अगर आप अपने SEO knowledge को up to date करना चाहते हो, then you can note down moz.com. Moz.com. Moz.com is a very fantastic very fantastic place to update your SEO knowledge. Right? So you can DMoz. DMoz is your directory website. DMoz is your dmoz.org is your directory website. And you might be knowing the story कि जब Google start हुआ था, जब Google ने अपना start किया था, and at that time Google के पास सारी पूरे वर्ल्ड की वेबसाइट की informations नहीं थी. तो at that time Google was showing information from this directory. DMoz में जो data submit होता था, it was a very popular online directory at that time. जब Google start हुआ था उस time में गूगल ने जो इनिशियल डेटा कलेक्ट किया था वो डीमॉज से ही कलेक्ट किया था. सो जिन लोगों ने भी अपनी वेबसाइट को डीमॉज में सबमिट किया हुआ था, वो सारी वेबसाइट गूगल के में अपीयर होना शुरू हो गई थी initially. So initially when we have started as a marketing, so it was the first thing to do कि अपनी वेबसाइट को डीमॉज में सबमिट करो, क्योंकि गूगल जो डेटा उठाता है वो डीमॉज से उठाता है. सो इन दैट वे डीमॉज के अलावा बहुत सारी वेबसाइट है जहां से आप अपनी वेबसाइट अपने वेबसाइट की डायरेक्टरीज अपनी वेबसाइट को डिफरेंट डायरेक्टरीज में सबमिट कर सकते हैं. इन द सेम वे जस्ट नोट डाउन moz.com. moz.com is one of the very industries top SEO information website. एसईओ के बारे में आपको कोई भी नई चीज जानना है, अपने आप को अप टू डेट करना है, फैक्टर्स जानने हैं, एसईओ का पीरियोडिक टेबल देखना है, एसईओ के चेकलिस्ट देखने हैं, एसईओ के छोटे से छोटे प्रॉब्लम को फिक्स करना है, एसईओ के बड़े से बड़े प्रॉब्लम को फिक्स करना है. Moz कैन बी द वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स. So initially you can know, if you face any problem or if you want any kind of guidance even after the classes, then moz.com will help you in that. Right? Okay, so now we are moving towards another activities, online directory submission. Online directory submission. ऑनलाइन डायरेक्टरी सबमिशंस के बाद आप ऑनलाइन आर्टिकल सबमिशन भी कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल esign.com, about.com, these are the online directories. esign.com, about.com, there are so many online article directory. Please share the previous classes YouTube link, ma'am. Yes, I will share. I will definitely share by end of the day today. So आज मैं सबके साथ शेयर करूंगी. Yes, Abdul, Sulekha is a classified ad website. That is also one way of getting backlinks. Sulekha is also one way to get backlinks, and that kind of link is called classified ad website. Online classified ad website. Online classified ad website. Ad website. And I will request you at the end of this session, just remind me that I have to share the recording with you. So I will share the recording. OLX and Quaker, exactly, Abdul, very right. OLX and Quaker, all these are example of classified ad website. OLX and Quaker and that Sulekha. These are classified ad website. So Amazon is online marketplace. Amazon, that is also a way of getting backlinks. If you are selling your product on Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, these are online marketplace website. Online marketplace website. So what are the other example of marketplace? और क्या क्या example हैं? Amazon. What else? Flipkart. Exactly. Very right. Flipkart. और कहाँ पे ऑनलाइन मार्केटप्लेस है? स्नैपडील, ईबे. Exactly. Snapdeal. There are hundreds of website. Shopclue. Yes. So there are hundreds of, like I can say that 200 plus popular marketplaces are there. Marketplace का मतलब होता है, yes, mantra, yes, right. So these are some are generic marketplaces. Marketplace का मतलब होता है कि platform where buyers and sellers can meet together. That buyers and sellers, like if you want to buy a laptop and if someone want to sell laptop, both are coming on same platform, then it is a marketplace. So these are the generic marketplace: Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal. These are the generic marketplace. You can go and buy any kind of product. You can buy laptop, you can buy skincare product, you can buy books, you can buy like home care or furnitures or shirts or t-shirts or apparels. So these are generic marketplaces. If you have some product, electronic, yes. But now if you have any idea about the business, agar aane wale time mein so many of you wanted to start your business, I'm just sharing one of the fantastic thing about this, कि आने वाले time में, ma'am, will you show us how to post a ad in the marketplace? Yes, I will. I will not show you, but for that, in most of the marketplace, you have to create account there, and in that account, you have to provide some documentary proof that you are the established business. Like you have to provide your PAN number, TAN number, and company registrations, so that you are that right business to sell your product to the customers. They don't want ki some everyone come and sell their product. Even if you don't have any business, you are just listing your product there, and they are not 100% sure whether you will deliver the product on time or not. If someone has like someone has buy your product from Flipkart, और आप उसको क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट नहीं दे रहे हो, या टाइम से डिलीवरी नहीं दे रहे हो, या अपने कमिटमेंट को पूरा नहीं कर रहे हो, सो हुज रेपुटेशन गेट रुइंड. उसकी वजह से अगर आप अपना प्रोडक्ट सही से डिलीवर नहीं करोगे तो किसका रेपुटेशन खराब होगा? वेबसाइट का. एग्जैक्टली उस फ्लिपकार्ट का रेपुटेशन खराब हो जाएगा, अमेजोन का रेपुटेशन खराब हो जाएगा. सो बिफोर सबमिटिंग योर प्रोडक्ट टू दीज मार्केट प्लेसेस, दे डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ वेरिफिकेशंस, दे डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ authentications कि you are the right business owner. Then they allow you to add your product there. So that asks you for your tin number and company registrations and little bit of financial formalities like account number, जहाँ पे current account जहाँ पैसा transfer होगा, जहाँ commissions transfer होंगे, वो detail आपसे लेता है. So if you have that minimum detail, it's very easy to add the product in these marketplaces. And one more thing, like I would like to share with you, there are a lot of opportunity to earn money using these marketplaces. The first and the very easy way to get started with this marketplace, you can start a review website. एक अपनी रिव्यू वेबसाइट आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. लेट्स सपोज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, और यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट, और यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन योगा मेडिटेशंस, यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन लेट्स सपोज book. So whatever topic is interested to you, you can find the product related to that topic on these marketplaces. You can you can start reviewing that product on your website. आप अपनी वेबसाइट बनाएंगे, एक रिव्यू की वेबसाइट बनाएंगे. यू कैन रिव्यू दोज प्रोडक्ट एंड यू विल शेयर द एफिलिएट लिंक. अमेजोन का ले सपोज you are very much interested in laptop review. You just like you are very much interested in knowing a new things about the laptop, or what next coming in the laptop industry, or what performance things you want to share your knowledge with the your audience. So you can start laptop review website, and you can suggest your user on the network of Facebook. Wherever you want to do the review, you can share your review on any network. So people will come to your website, read your review, and the end of the review you can guide them to buy that product from Amazon, or from Flipkart, or from eBay, or from Snapdeal. They will go to those website. If they buy product from there, you will get the commission. So this is one of the easiest way to get started earning money online, without any company registration, without any tan pan, or these numbers. So you can start a review website. Second, these marketplaces want to give lot of varieties to their users. अपने यूजर्स को ये बहुत ज्यादा वेराइटीज देना देना चाहते, सो दे वांट टू ऐड मोर सेलर टू देयर मार्केट्स। बहुत ज्यादा सेलर्स को वो ऐड करना चाहते हैं। सो दे प्रोवाइड लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट टू द सेलर्स। दे जस्ट यू इन्फॉर्म द फ्लिपकार्ट कि आई वांट टू एट द एंड ऑफ द फ्लिपकार्ट लिंक, फ्लिपकार्ट पे आप जाओगे, एंड में सेलर्स का लिंक होता है, sellers.flipkart.com, you can open that, sellers.flipkart.com. So they will just show your interest कि I want to list my product on the Flipkart. These guys will come to you, वो अपने बंदे, Flipkart अपने बंदे आपके पास भेजेंगे. These guys will do that photography of your product. These guys will do the write the description for your product, and then they will list all your product photographs and description in flipkart.com, and when you will made a sale, they will share the commission with you. So these are very helpful, and they really want to add lot of sellers on their marketplace. So it's amazing things to get started with. Apart from that, ये तो हो गया, उसके अलावा जो एज अ बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, इफ यू हैव एनी लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान, और इफ यू वांट टू रियली गेट स्टार्टेड विद द ऑनलाइन बिजनेस, द फैंटास्टिक अपॉर्चुनिटी इज द निक ऑनलाइन मार्केटप्लेस। स्पेसिफिक, लाइक हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट लेंसकार्ट? लेंसकार्ट के बारे में नाम सुना है कभी? लेंसकार्ट सुना है किसी ने? यस, लेंसकार्ट इज अबाउट व्हाट? वहां पे क्या मिलता है? Everything specs, yes, everything ear bearable, like specs, glasses, lens. So this is the example of nick marketing, nick platform. There everyone is selling only something related to I मतलब आईज से रिलेटेड चीजें बिक रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड निक मार्केट, ऑप्टिकल्स, यस। सो फ्लिपकार्ट, ईबे, ये जो मार्केट प्लेस है वो जेनरिक है। अभी जो आने वाला टाइम है वो निक मार्केट प्लेस क्रिएट करने का है। So you can start with, have you heard about, can you give more example of nick market, nick online marketplace? Urban Ladder, have you heard about Urban Ladder? फर्नीचर का मार्केट प्लेस है। देर आर प्रोफेफ करके एक जो वेबसाइट है, दैट दे आर ओनली सेलिंग फर्नीचर, they are only selling furniture of different brands. So that mantra only apparel, exactly, yes, that's the same thing. I'm yeah, Paperfry, yes, Abdul, you are right. Paperfry is what? Furniture marketplace. Mantra is what? Apparel marketplace. So आने वाले टाइम में that you can think of any product and you can create marketplace for that product. If you have ideas about let's suppose nail polish, you can just create a marketplace only for nail polish. If you have interest in, let's suppose crockeries, you can just start a marketplace of only crockeries. If you have interest in, let's suppose meditation or yoga, you can just start marketplace product related only to the yoga and meditations. So if you are interested in fitness and wellness, you can just start marketplace only for the fitness and wellness service provider, or fitness and wellness equipments. If you are interested in, and you can, you got the point about nick marketing? Have you got the point? Nick online marketplace? Yes. So what kind of nick online marketplace you would like to start? If you have got a chance to start an online marketplace, आप किस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट से आप के लिए अपना निक मार्केट ऑनलाइन मार्केटप्लेस स्टार्ट करना चाहोगे? Gazettes. Okay, gazette is one thing. Yes. Chroma, that like Chroma, Tata Chroma is kind of gazette place. Is it? Connection is slow. Abdul is saying connection is slow. IT, it came, ma'am. Okay. So now it's fine. Everyone can listen my voice. Online medical consultancies. Very right. Bharadwaj, very right. Online medical consultancy you can start. As I'm thinking about creating a marketplace where I will list all the digital marketing training providers. पूरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया या ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में जितने भी लोग, जितने भी इंस्टीट्यूट, जितने भी कंपनीज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की ट्रेनिंग देती है, उनका एक मार्केट प्लेस स्टार्ट करने का. विल इट वर्क? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? If you have to get training, it will it make sense? Will it make sense to go and review the marketplace where hundred of companies are providing digital marketing, and you can choose from them ki which digital marketing training you should go for? So you can choose according to the cost, you can choose according to the location, you can choose according to the content, you can choose according to the certifications, you can choose according to the timing, you can choose according to the durations, you can choose according to whatever you are looking for, you can choose according to that course. So these are the different marketplace for can you give me some example of educational marketplace जहां पे educational product या courses बिकते हैं? Any example? Simply Learn. Have you heard about Simply Learn? HT Campus, they provide courses as well. They are providing the collection of courses. Yes, okay. Then ST Campus is that marketplace. Simply Learn. Have you heard about Simply Learn? Yes, Simply Learn is a educational marketplace. Have you heard about Udemy? Udemy का नाम सुना है? Udemy? No. So अगर Udemy नहीं सुना है तो just note it down somewhere. Udemy is a fantastic online learning marketplace. Udemy is the fantastic online learning marketplace. So this is the spelling of Udemy, and Udemy will help you. Siksha.com. Siksha.com is not a marketplace. It's a forum website. It's not, basically they have integrated marketplace now. They might have integrated marketplace now, but it started with that forum discussion website where people are coming and sharing their requirements, and then they are suggesting some solution to them. But marketplace where proactively people are selling their product on that place. So they're organized or a structured approach of selling a specific product, then it is a marketplace. So marketplace is a very upcoming thing in coming days, and I will suggest all of you to go through Udemy. And Udemy will provide lot of varieties of courses. If you want any kind of skill, there are so many free courses available on the Udemy as well. There are paid courses, but so many free courses are also available. You can learn any kind of course. Let's suppose you want to learn HTML, or you want to learn PHP, or you want to learn WordPress, or you want to learn digital marketing, you want to learn how to sleep, or you want to learn how to eat, how to cook. All these kind of courses are available on the Udemy, and it's a very short term course. 2 घंटे, 4 घंटे, 5 घंटे, 200 घंटे, 500 घंटे से 2 घंटे से लेके 2000 घंटे तक के courses available हैं. And lot of courses are free as well. So it's a nice place to enhance your skill. कोई भी नया skill सीखना, it's a easy place to upgrade your skill. So you can use the Udemy. Even if you are interested in sharing your skill, you can create your own course here as well. So these are the online marketplace. And what are the other ways? और क्या तरीका हो सकता है वेबसाइट, अपनी वेबसाइट के लिए लिंक लेने का? Do you feel that कि when you will go and list your product on these places, you will get a backlink to your website? इन सारे जगह से अपनी वेबसाइट के लिए लिंक डाल सकते हैं? Can you provide your website link to these platform? Bharadwaj is saying no. Yes, you can provide. You can provide almost almost all the platform will give you facility to place your link there. ये ऑनलाइन डायरेक्टरी में भी अपनी वेबसाइट का लिंक डाल सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन आर्टिकल में भी अपनी वेबसाइट का लिंक डाल सकते हैं, क्लासिफाइड ऐड में हम अपनी वेबसाइट का लिंक डाल सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन मार्केट प्लेसेस में भी अपनी वेबसाइट का लिंक डाल सकते हैं. So that website link will have dual advantage. First advantage कि Google give the value, Google give जितनी ज्यादा आपको बैकलिंक मिलेगी उतनी ज्यादा आपने अपने फेवर में वोट इकट्ठा किया है. The more you are getting the backlinks from the other website, the more vote you have collected in favor of you. So the more link you have, the Google will feel that more useful website you are. So जितनी ज्यादा backlinks आपके जितनी ज्यादा relevant and authority backlink आपको मिलेगी, Google आपकी ranking को उतनी ज्यादा improve करेगा. So but you have to keep in mind you have to get backlink from the relevant and authority website, and these are the popular way to get backlinks: online directory, online article summation, and one of the most favorite Google way of getting backlink is online press release. Online press release website, pr.com. You can go to these, you can find these online press release websites on Google. You can go and search online press release. They will give you the list of online press release, and this is one of the favorite kind of backlink. Google के लिए बहुत फेवरेट बैकलिंक है. जब आपको कोई भी प्रेस कवरेज मिलती है आपकी वेबसाइट को या आपके प्रोडक्ट को, आपके what about link exchange systems? Okay, I will discuss that link exchange. That is also a very fantastic way to get backlinks. So we will discuss that link exchange as well. These are the right now Sakshi app. Sakshi app. What is this Sakshi app? Siksha app or Sakshi app? So just remind me, I will discuss that link exchange part. Right now, we are giving you the more easier way to get backlinks. So you can get backlinks from online directory, online article, online press release, and press. If you are getting any kind of press coverage, online or offline, if you have any chance to get any kind of press coverage, have you local press coverage, any kind of press coverage, if you are getting online press coverage, that is a fantastic way to improve your ranking. Google को सबसे ज्यादा valuable link जो लगते हैं वो press coverage से आपको अगर link मिली हुई है, या backlink from gov वेबसाइट, गवर्नमेंट की वेबसाइट से लिंक मिला हुआ है, या edu वेबसाइट से, .gov वेबसाइट से अगर आपको लिंक मिल जाए, या .edu वेबसाइट से लिंक मिल जाए, then these are the best kind of link. Google treat them best kind of backlink because these are more authenticate kind of websites. So अगर आपको गवर्नमेंट की वेबसाइट से या edu की वेबसाइट से लिंक मिलता है तो गूगल उसको ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देता है, उसको ज्यादा वैल्यू देता है ओवर द आर्टिकल डायरेक्टरी और प्रेस रिलीज की वेबसाइट से. उसके अलावा हैव यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द फोरम? हैव यू जस्ट शेयर फ्यू फोरम नेम. फोरम पार्टी नो. हैव यू पार्टिसिपेटेड ऑन शिक्षा.com? शिक्षा.com पे पार्टिसिपेट किया है कभी? Yes, Siksha.com is a forum. Forum means where more than one people are interacting with each other on one topic. That is called forum participation. Forum. Okay. So there are so many industry forum. If you are in education, there are so many educational forum. If you are in fitness and wellness, there are so many fitness forum. There are so many networking forums. So there are so many. So if you have to some little bit of industry, like if you are in that creative industry, you are in web designing, there are so many web designing forum. If you are in web development, there are so many web development forum. You are in digital marketing, that so many digital marketing forum. Warrior forum is the most popular forum in digital marketing, internet marketing mein Warrior forum is the most reputed forum. So there you have to go and contribute in that forum. Forum is a general discussion on any topic. So many more than one people are interacting on a particular topic at the same platform at the same time, then it is called forum. So while participating, you can share your link. well, I will not say कि you go and just spam that platform with your link. Don't do that, never do that. किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाकर के हम अपने लिंक से उस प्लेटफॉर्म को स्पैम नहीं करेंगे, but you have to genuinely contribute on that forum. Genuinely you have to ask them कि okay, whatever you content you have, you want to share that content with that forum fellows, and in that flow you can just place your link. Got it? Forum participation आया सबको समझ में? Yes. What can be the next? और क्या हो सकते हैं लिंक बैकलिंक लेने का तरीका? Have you used our question answer website? Question answer website. Example of question answer website? Yahoo Answer, exactly. Yahoo Answer, Quora, Ask.com, or there are so many question answer.com. Yes. Yahoo Answer. There. So there are so many question answer website. Wikipedia is knowledge sharing website. It is not question answer website. It's not a question answer website. You can it's a you can say that it's a crowdsourcing content collection using crowdsourcing. So you can go and share your content. They will review your content. If your content is authenticate enough, then they will add your content in their knowledge base. So Wikipedia is not question answer. WikiHow is one of the that. WikiAsk is one of the question answers website. So these are the question answer website. Do you feel you can submit? You can share your link on these question answer website? Yes. So these are different question answer websites. And popular one is Yahoo Answer, Quora, Answer.com. These there are so many other question answer websites. So what you have to do, you have to go and participate in this question answer forum. So someone has asked the questions. If that question is related to your industry, related to your product and services, you can share your knowledge base or you can share your expertise for that particular topic. Then and during that knowledge sharing you can share your website link as well. So this is that way of getting backlinks. What are the other way? इसके अलावा और क्या हो सकता है? Have you ever done the blog commenting? Have you ever done the commenting? No. Yes, Bharadwaj has done, Abdul has not done. Abdul has yes and no both. Okay. So blog commenting, Satya has done. Blog commenting, when you are sharing that entire content, at the end of the content there is an option to share your views on that content. That is called blog commenting. So blog commenting is also when you are doing that blog comments, you can also share your website link. जब भी हम blog comment करते हैं तो अपनी website का link भी share कर सकते हैं. If that website is allowing you to comment and also allow you to share your website link, then that kind of link is called blog commenting. You can get backlink using blog commenting. One of the most popular way to get backlink is guest blogging. Guest blog posting. So what is guest blog postings? There are so many blog website or information website. They allow you to share your content on their website. आप बहुत सारे वेबसाइट में जाके अपने कंटेंट को एज अ ऑथर सबमिट कर सकते हो. So you can ask them ki I have knowledge of this. I'm expert in this topic, and I would like to share my content with you. They will give you some guidelines कि okay, according to these guidelines you can write इतने characters का या इतने words का आपका content होना चाहिए, या उस duplicate content नहीं होना चाहिए, original होना चाहिए, and research based होना चाहिए, इतने paragraphs होने चाहिए. So they will give you some guidelines, and according to that किस topic पे content होना चाहिए, according to that guidelines you can submit that content to that blog, and वो जो blog का owner है वो आपके content को अपने blog पे डाल सकता है, and you can also share the backlinks or you can share the links of your website on that content, that blog post as well. So this is also one popular way to get backlinks from the guest blogging. That is called guest blogging. You are blogging, but you are not blogging on your website, you are blogging on any other website. So it's a guest blogging. So are you guys getting that these are the methods to get backlinks? Why we are doing these activities? ये सारा activities हम लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं? Yes, to get why we are going why we are interested in doing these activities? Why we are interested in doing these activities? Why we want to do directory summation or article summations or press release or backlink from gov or edu or forum participations or question to promote our website? Yes, to promote our website. And what else? On overall, it's to promote our website, to collect a backlinks. Yes, to collect a backlink. It's not for CTR, to collect a backlinks. And backlink is a factor in SEO. Off page is a factor in SEO. So improve your ranking in the Google. It's that good impressions. All these are side effect. You can say that all these are side effect of your impressions and friendly. Improve the rank in the Google. Exactly, that is the core purpose of doing these activities. Satya is very right. Improve the ranking in the Google. Ultimately we are doing SEO. You will go somewhere to apply as an SEO, then you have to, this is the entry level job. SEO में जब आप एंटर करते हो तो सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के प्रोफाइल पे कहीं पे भी काम स्टार्ट करोगे तो दिस इज योर एंट्री लेवल जॉब. सबसे पहले आपको ऑफ पेज एक्टिविटी से ही काम स्टार्ट करना होगा. So you have to find the directories or article sites or press release sites or backlink sites or forum sites or question answer website, blog website और guest blogging की opportunity देने वाली website. So आपको classified website, marketplace, ये सारी websites निकालनी होगी और वहां पे अपने website को जाके submit करना होगा. This is the core job of off page SEO. Like off page SEO की तरह कहीं पे भी ज्वाइन करोगे तो आपको यही काम से स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है. राइट कहीं पे भी इफ यू आर हैव यू एवर ट्राइड फॉर इंटर्नशिप? आप लोगों में से किसी ने इंटर्नशिप किया है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में? हैव यू गाइस एवर डन एनी काइंड ऑफ इंटर्नशिप इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग? नो. यस, नो, नो, नो आंसर. मार्केटिंग इन कैमियन हॉस्पिटल मैम. ओके, सत्या हैज डन समथिंग. So yes, these days so many company are looking for digital marketer, digital marketing intern. बहुत सारी कंपनी है जो खोज रही है जो आपके not in digital, okay, it's a marketing but not in digital marketing. You mean to say that you have done the marketing activities but you haven't done the digital marketing. So just okay, it's all fine, but I'm just sharing with you that all these companies, so many companies are looking for digital marketing interns. And if you will join these companies as a digital marketing interns, most of the time you will have to do off page activities. सबसे पहले वहां पे जाके आपको यही ऑफ पेज एक्टिविटीज करनी पड़ेगी. So आप directory submission, you have to find the directory, submit your website, find the article website, submit your article, find the press release website, submit your press release. So यही काम आपको generally start करना होगा. जब आप as a SEO और as a intern start करोगे तो most probably आपको यही काम से starting मिलेगी. So any other ways? इसके अलावा और कोई तरीका हो सकता है वेबसाइट, अपनी वेबसाइट के लिए लिंक लेने का? और कोई तरीका आप बताओ. Just think कि how you can get backlinks from other website. ऐसा कोई भी तरीका आप सोच लो. सो एनीवेज, अगर ऐसा कोई भी तरह का आपके दिमाग में आता है जिससे कि आप उस एक्टिविटीज को करने के बाद आपको उस वेबसाइट से लिंक मिल रही है, देन दैट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ पेज एक्टिविटीज दैट कैन बी listed as off page activities. That list can goes on. I can give you very exhaustive list to do the off page activities, but these are the popular one, these are the established one, these are the general one I have discussed. One thing I would like to discuss about link exchange. That is also one way of getting backlinks. That is called link exchange. I'm not getting exactly what it is. Anyways, so it's okay, Abdul, it's fine. So just concentrate here that we are going to discuss link exchange. Yes, link exchange means when you are discussing any other website owner to do little bit of exchange of link. Like these are the general website. You can go to any of these website and submit it. It's open for all. कोई भी जाके वहाँ पे ये डायरेक्टरी और आर्टिकल और प्रेस रिलीज और सबमिट कर सकता है. कोई भी जाके फोरम में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है. कोई भी जाके ब्लॉग कमेंटिंग कर सकता है. कोई भी क्लासिफाइड एड सबमिट कर सकता है. कोई भी मार्केट प्लेस में प्रोडक्ट को ऐड कर सकता है. So this is these I think social bookmarking. Yes, exactly. Very nice. Social bookmarking is also a way of that off-page activities. So you can list it. Social bookmarking is socially you are marking any website that this website is useful for all. That is called social bookmarking. Dig, Delicious, Reddit. You ever used social bookmarking? आप लोग में से किसी ने use किया है? So Satya, have you ever used social bookmarking? Yes. Which website? Bharadwaj has done. Dig, Delicious, Reddit, Stumble Upon, Facebook. You are Bharadwaj, you are talking about Facebook. If you are talking about Facebook, then it's not social bookmarking, it's a social networking website. So anyway, social bookmarking is the public platform or open platform where you can go and bookmark any website for the which bookmarking will be available to public, that anyone can see that Bharadwaj has bookmarked this website, or Satya has bookmarked this website, or Abdul has bookmarked this website. So that's why it's a social bookmarking site. So आपकी website को friend life. Okay, that can be a social bookmarking website. So the popular one is Dig, Delicious, Reddit, Stumble Upon. These are the very popular social bookmarking website, and people submit. And किसी भी website को जितने ज्यादा लोग bookmark करेंगे, उसकी ranking उतनी ज्यादा improve होगी. मीन्स आपके वेबसाइट में ऐसा कंटेंट हो जिस कंटेंट को लोग सोशली बुकमार्क कर रहे हो, तो then that your website will be get a benefit of that backlinks and get your ranking will improve in the Google. So social bookmarking is also way of uh, off page activities. Now let's move to the link exchange. Link exchange is doing that if you are talking to the other website owner and you are asking link and doing some favor to them. What happened to Abdul? Abdul has left. Is everything all right? Is my voice audible to all of you? सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Yes. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Thank you, Satya, Fani, Bhanu, Navya, Abdul. Thank you so much. We are talking about link exchange. Link exchange means when you are personally contacting any other website owner and asking them to give you link. This is called link exchange. So you can visit a website, you feel that this website is very nice, sharing the same kind of information, relevant website, authority website. You go to that, you find that website owner contact details. You can उसके contact us पेज पे जाते हैं, या जो ईमेल आईडी उस पे पड़ी हुई है, जाओ, या फिर उसके लिंक्डइन, फेसबुक प्रोफाइल, कहीं से भी उसका कांटेक्ट निकालते हैं और उस कांटेक्ट को हम सेंड करते हैं कि प्लीज अलाउ मी टू शेयर माय लिंक ऑन योर वेबसाइट, देन इट इज कॉल्ड लिंक एक्सचेंज. सो लिंक एक्सचेंज कैन बी ऑफ थ्री टाइप. लिंक एक्सचेंज जो जनरली हम लोग कहते हैं वो तीन तरह का हो सकता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वन वे लिंक एक्सचेंज, टू वे लिंक एक्सचेंज, टू वे लिंक एक्सचेंज, और टू वे को ही हम रेसिप्रोकल लिंक भी कहते हैं। प्रोकल लिंक एंड थर्ड इज थ्री वे लिंक एक्सचेंज। एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड। वन वे का मतलब हो गया किसी वेबसाइट ने आपको लिंक दिया, दैट इज कॉल्ड वन वे। इफ साइट ए हैज गिवन लिंक टू बी, देन इट इज वन वे लिंक फॉर बी। अगर आपकी साइट ने ए है, मेरी साइट बी है, आपने मुझे लिंक दिया, देन इट्स अ वन वे लिंक फॉर मी। टू वे लिंक और रेसिप्रोकल लिंक means A has given link to B and B has given link to A, then it is called reciprocal link exchange। मीन्स अगर दो वेबसाइट है, दोनों एक दूसरे को लिंक दे रहे हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल लिंक एक्सचेंज। दैट यू आर गिविंग मी फेवर एंड आई एम गिविंग फेवर टू यू, देन इट्स अ रेसिप्रोकल लिंक एक्सचेंज। एंड थ्री वे लिंक एक्सचेंज मीन्स, बिकॉज गूगल ऑलवेज फेवर वन वे लिंक। गूगल बोलता है कि आप ऐसा लिंक लो जो नेचुरल लिंक हो, नेचुरली लोग आपको लिंक दे रहे हो, आपका कंटेंट इतना अच्छा है, आपके कंटेंट में इतनी क्वालिटी है, आपके कंटेंट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग तक पहुंचना, लाइक लोग शेयर करना चाहते हैं, इसलिए आपको लिंक दे रहे हैं। सो वन वे लिंक इज द मोस्ट बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ लिंक। वन वे लिंक जो होता है उसको हम लोग कहते हैं कि सबसे अच्छा लिंक है, गूगल इसको सबसे ज्यादा फेवर करता है। बेस्ट वे टू गेट बैकलिंक्स। तो गूगल को थोड़ा सा ट्रिक करने के लिए, गूगल को थोड़ा सा मैनिपुलेट करने के लिए, व्हाट वी डू कि मेरे पास दो वेबसाइट है, आपके पास एक वेबसाइट है, यू हैव गिवन लाइक आई, मेरे पास एक वेबसाइट है ए एंड बी, एंड आपके पास एक वेबसाइट है सी। सो यू हैव गिवन लिंक टू ए, सी हैज गिवन लिंक टू ए, दिस इज वन वे फॉर ए, and rather than giving backlink from A, I will give you backlink from B। मैं दो वेबसाइट की ओनर हूं, मैंने एक वेबसाइट से आपसे लिंक लिया और आपको लिंक देते समय मैंने उसी वेबसाइट से लिंक नहीं दे करके किसी और वेबसाइट से लिंक दी, दैट इज कॉल्ड थ्री वे लिंक एक्सचेंज। गॉट द पॉइंट? आई बात समझ में? ऑल आर हियर? यस यस यस, थैंक यू थैंक यू। सो थ्री वे का मतलब हो गया कि ए ने लिंक दिया बी को, एंड फिर बी ने लिंक दिया सी को, एंड ए हैज गिवन लिंक बी टू बी, and B has given link to C, and A and C is owned by same site A and site C are owned by same person or same authority or same company। So it's that manipulated two way, you can say that A to B or B to C, exactly. So Satya, you're right. So this kind of link is called three way link exchange। So for this, if you see this link very clearly, you can see that कि B के लिए भी one way है और ये C के लिए भी one way है, बी के लिए भी वन वे है और सी के लिए भी वन वे है, बट ए और सी इज ओन्ड बाय सेम कंपनी एंड बी इज एनी अदर कंपनी। सो दैट वे गूगल फील दैट कि सबको वन वे लिंक मिला है, बट यू हैव मैनिपुलेटेड दैट बिकॉज यू आर ओनर ऑफ मोर देन वन वेबसाइट। सो दैट वे यू कैन मैनिपुलेट द थिंग्स। और इफ यू हैव वन वेबसाइट और आपके दोस्त के पास भी कोई दूसरी वेबसाइट है, तो आपने लिंक लिया अपनी वेबसाइट के लिए, और उसको लिंक जब देने की बारी आई तो आप अपनी वेबसाइट से लिंक नहीं देकर के अपने दोस्त की वेबसाइट से उसे लिंक दिलवा दिया, देन इट इज कॉल्ड थ्री वे लिंक एक्सचेंज। गॉट द पॉइंट? थ्री वे, वन वे, टू वे, थ्री वे सबको समझ में आ गया? इट्स लिंक एक्सचेंज इज अ काइंड ऑफ वन टू वन कम्युनिकेशन। communication to get link. यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग वन टू वन, लाइक एक एक करके एक एक साइट ओनर का कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स निकाल करके उनसे एक एक करके उनको मेल भेज रहे हैं, उनसे एक एक करके बातें कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट अ ओपन टू ऑल, इट्स नॉट अ जेनरिक, इट्स नॉट वेरी सिस्टमैटिक और अप्रोच और स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे. You are just collecting website owners contact details and then you are sending them mail ki I want to share my website with your audience because your website is related to my topic, and in that favor I can give you something else. In that favor you can give them money or you can give them something. So it's these are called link exchange way. But whatever way you are using, इस ऑफ पेज एक्टिविटीज का कोई भी तरीका से आप लिंक ले रहे हो, you have to keep two things in mind, that is relevancy and authority. रिलेवेंट वेबसाइट से लिंक लेंगे एंड अथॉरिटी वेबसाइट से लिंक लेंगे, राइट. वैसी वेबसाइट से लिंक नहीं लेंगे जिसने बहुत सारे लोगों को ऑलरेडी लिंक दे रखा हो. एक ही पेज से अगर उसने लिंक लाइक ये तो हो गया, आप लिंक लेंगे. एंड डोंट टेक लिंक कैसी वेबसाइट से लिंक नहीं लेंगे? इररिलेवेंट. डोंट टेक लिंक फ्रॉम इररिलेवेंट वेबसाइट. डोंट टेक लिंक फॉर एफएफए वेबसाइट. एफएफए मतलब फ्री फॉर ऑल. डोंट टेक लिंक फ्रॉम लिंक फार्म. लिंक फार्म मतलब डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फ्रॉम सेम ही पेज. एक ही पेज से मेरे पास एक पेज है xyz.com, उसी पेज से मैं फैशन की वेबसाइट को लिंक दे रही हूँ, उसी पेज से मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की वेबसाइट को लिंक दे रही हूँ, उसी पेज से मैं मेडिकल की वेबसाइट को लिंक दे रही हूँ, उसी पेज से मैं लैपटॉप की वेबसाइट को लिंक दे रही हूँ. देन दैट काइंड ऑफ पेज इज कॉल्ड लिंक फार्म. So you should not be taking link from the link farm, and you should not be taking links from the website which have more than 20 outgoing link from the same page. मतलब ऐसी किसी जो कोई एक ऐसी वेबसाइट है जो कि बहुत ज्यादा लिंक देती है, मींस एक ही पेज से उसने 25 लोगों को लिंक दिया हुआ है, देन इट्स नॉट अ गुड आइडिया टू गेट बैकलिंक फ्रॉम दोज वेबसाइट, right? So if you are getting backlinks from varieties of like एक ऐसा पेज है जिसमें बहुत सारे लोगों को उसने अलग अलग तरह के लिंक अलग अलग तरह की वेबसाइट को लिंक दिया हुआ है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड इट्स नॉट अ गुड वे. इफ एक ही वेबसाइट उसने 20 लोगों को लिंक दिया हुआ है, इट्स नॉट अ गुड वे टू गेट बैकलिंक्स. ये ऐसी वेबसाइट से हम लिंक नहीं लेंगे. So you have to keep in mind, you will not take any kind of link from the drugs like backlisted. If you should not take any link which is not नो इंडेक्स वेबसाइट से लिंक नहीं लेंगे. जो वेबसाइट गूगल में इंडेक्स ही नहीं है, नो इंडेक्स वेबसाइट से नहीं लिंक लेंगे. So you should not be taking links from blacklisted website. Blacklisted website means let's suppose drugs की वेबसाइट और बेटिंग की वेबसाइट और प्रोन वेबसाइट, इस तरह के वेबसाइट से लिंक हम कभी भी नहीं लेंगे. So these are the precautions you have to take while taking backlinks. So now you got these the you got the idea of backlinking and off page activities. Now the exercise is that you have to note down the exercise. You have to find at least 2 website in each category for your promotions. जैसे आपको let's suppose I have to give, you have to find 2 website in each category for RO services where you can get link from for the RO services. Can you do that? Can you do that? Yes, Satya can do. Bharadwaj can do. What are you clear what I am asking? Are you guys clear what I am asking to do? I am asking, sir, I'm asking, Satya is saying yes, but I'm asking you to get to find the website. You have to find two online directory, to article directory website, to press release website, to might be government or education आपको नहीं मिलती है, it's okay, you can leave the government education type of website, to forum website, to question answer website, to blog commenting website, to guest posting website, to classified website, to marketplace website, to social bookmarking websites. Even you can go for the two business listing website. Business, can you give me the example of business listing? Can you give me the example of business listing website? Have you heard about Just Dial? Just Dial का नाम सुना है? Yes. Only Satya is answering. Where are all have gone? Navya is there. So all of you are here. Just say yes one time. Yes, everyone. Dinesh, Navya, Shakesh, Bhanu, Satya, Bharadwaj, Sai, Agni, Bhanu, Fani. All okay. Okay. Phone number of everything is yes. Satya is right. It's a business listing where you can list your business. Just Dial, India Mart, Trade India. Have you heard these sites? Just Dial, Just Dial, India Mart, Trade India. So these are called business listing website where you are going to list your business details. Business का नाम बताएंगे, business का contact details बताएंगे, business के क्या क्या products हैं, किस time में operate होता है. These things you have to provide in the business listing website. Now the exercise is that for all of you, just note it down. Your exercise is that you have to either you have to find these website for your own. आप अपने लिए निकालोगे. आपकी website अगर ready है, how many of your website is ready? जिसकी जिसकी website almost ready है for promotion, just share your website URL. Just share your website URL if your website is ready for promotion. Even it's not ready for promotion, just share your website URL. जो फ्री वाली वेबसाइट आपने बनाई थी उस वेबसाइट का यूआरएल आप लोग शेयर करो. अग्नि जस्ट अ सेक. ओके ओके फाइन. जस्ट शेयर ऑल ऑफ यू. इट्स अ एरो आर concepts bga.easy.es. okay, so let me see what about others. बाकी और किसकी किसकी वेबसाइट है? कैन आई ओपन इट पब्लिकली? भरद्वाज, कैन आई ओपन इट पब्लिकली? okay, nice. What about others? और किसने किसने वेबसाइट बनाई है? Just share your website URL. Agni, cs.wordpress.com. Satya website is cs.wordpress.com. It's not cs. Then what? Write the entire URL. Write the full URL of your website. Your free hosting is not working. Bharadwaj. Bharadwaj, is your website opening well for you? It got expired, I think. Okay, the website got expired. Okay, so you have to create free on the WordPress. At least you can make create on the WordPress. Satya has also shared his URL. What about the rest? बाकी लोग की वेबसाइट कहाँ पे है? Just share the URL in whatever stage your website is. In whatever stage your website is, just share your URL. Bharadwaj, your hosting has been expired. Just share your free WordPress website. Right now, I'm opening Satya website. Let's see what is it. Okay, and Satya, it not completed. It's okay. Just share the uh, incomplete one. Dinesh website is also there. बाकी लोगों की वेबसाइट कहाँ है? दिनेश एंड सत्या एंड भारद्वाज, तीन तो मिल गया. अग्नि, wordpress.com stats dot, this is not your website URL is agflames.wordpress.com. Your website, when you will share your website, Agni, when you will share your website URL with others, your website URL is agflames.wordpress.com. It's not that wordpress.com. This should be your website URL. So what happened to this, Dinesh? Okay, does not exist. Dinesh, your website showing it's not exist. This website is working fine. FT Logistic. Okay, okay. At least a little bit of where you can change this. ये सारी चीजें आप कहाँ से change कर सकते हो? This right navigation. You have to change these things from widgets. About us, benefit, contact us, packages. Nice. AG Flame. Only home about. उसके बाद से कुछ भी नहीं है. And Bharadwaj is sharing csingcom.com. So none of your website is in the state where you can start promoting these. Any of your website जिसकी थोड़ी बहुत भी इस स्टेज में है जिसका प्रमोशन हो सके. Bharadwaj की website is fine. Is little home about only 2 page. I have asked you to create at least 5 pages website. None of you have created this 5 pages website. Even if this is fine, this is whoever his website is, this is also looking okay, nice. Packages, you can write more content. All these things you can manage, you can manage from the widgets. ये logistic की website, logistic की website किसकी है? सत्या. Okay, So you can work on Satya, you can work on these logistic website. You can make a very nice website. Hmm. Dinesh's username is this one, but you have to provide what is the URL. I'm interested in seeing that URL of the website. So just to remind you guys, now you know that whatever website you have created, according to the theme of the website, according to the service of the website, according to the business of the website, are you guys able to find few directory and article and bookmarking website where you can go and submit this website? Are you guys can do that? Directory, yes, two yes are there, three yes, sure, Satya can do that. So you have two option. Either you have to do it for your own website if your website is ready for promotion. अगर आपकी website थोड़ी बहुत भी ready है promotion के लिए, then you will do these activities for your own website. Otherwise, you have to do these activities for the assignment I will give you, that is arovala.in के लिए, right? So, are you ready for the assignments? Okay, okay. So, okay, nice. I'm just साई, ओके वर्डप्रेस साई की वेबसाइट का यूआरएल अब आया है. Mhm. I'm just showing you all of these off-page activities one by one, and these activities you have to do either for your own website or for the assignment website. Just use your Google uh, and find two of each kind. Just find two direct online directory, two article directory, two press release websites, all these things. Are you interested in that sharing? I should be sharing this sheet with you. Should I share this sheet with you? These notepad. Should I share this notepad with you? Okay. Okay. I will HNO. HNO. What does it mean? HNO. Hello. So let's start with the directory. Let's start with the directory summations. And for directory, you will go to the Google and see very carefully. You have to do it yourself. You will find top online, because my website is in India. You can type online Indian directories, right? So you can open this website. Okay, fine, Bharadwaj, no issue. So just I'm showing you where you can find the directories website. You have to just search the Google with top online directory, top article directory, top business listing, top bookmarking, top blog commenting, top forum website. And in that, at the end of these, you can also search your industry name, your business name, top directory for logistic, for top directory for business, top directory for medical, top directory for, you can also list alongside, you can also mention your business name, and they will give you directory related to your business, and there you can go and submit it. So you will open the whatever directory you want to submit, you will open the directory. Let's suppose this is one of the directory you can open. All guys are here, let's seeing that आप लोग सब लोग देख रहे हो? Okay, Satya is very active. Bharadwaj, Sai, yes. So you will go and open these directories. It's not opening. If it is not opening, you have to go and explore. It's not necessary कि जितनी भी website को देखेंगे सब पे submit ही करेंगे. You have to open it, you have to scan it and find it कि if it is like relevant and authority, then only you will submit it. जो वेबसाइट ओपन ही नहीं हो रही है तो उसका तो कोई एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है, लाइक दैट वेबसाइट इज नॉट अ वेरी क्वालिटी वेबसाइट. So you have to find the quality website, then you will submit it. So that directory you will find, and in the same way you will find directory article site, article directories. Article directories. You can submit, you can find the top article directories, right? Let's suppose uh, these are the top article directories. eHow, Hub Pages, these are the top article directories, right? So uh, adding the article in these places, you have to write very quality content, then only they will allow you to submit your content. Agar content thin content hai, if the content is not the quality content, they will not allow you to submit your content here, right? So you can open these directories. Then you will create the account. You can see that login and register you have to create on. सबसे बड़ी बात है ऑफ पेज एक्टिविटीज में सबसे ज्यादा जो काम करना है that is the account creations. Do you feel that without account creation you can have you can submit these things on the website? बिना अकाउंट क्रिएट किए हुए आप ये सारा सबमिशन कर सकते हो? All guys are here? Yes. So you have to create the account on this website, right? Can you create the account on this website? सब लोग अकाउंट क्रिएट कर सकते हो? Yes. So you have to create, you have to find these directories. ये directory का list निकालेंगे and you have to create the account here to submit the content. See this is one of the article directories. Then to submit the content you have to create account here. You have to create account, join, or you have to create account or submit or register or login or whatever they are asking you to do. You have to create the account there, then only you will be able to you will able to submit your content on these places. So these are the example of article sites. This is the example of directory site. So this is the example of article site. Now you can go for the business listing or press release. What you will search? Top press Buzzle will also ask you. Buzzle without confirmation, they will not publish your content. Buzzle, any website without authentications that who is submitting the content, they cannot publish your content. It may be possible that you are submitting the content, and while submission they will ask you to authenticate your website. So these are the example of this article or directories. You have to find, you have to go and visit this website. You have to see that कि okay ये site अच्छी है, authenticate है, real है, and relevant category available है. जिस भी categories में आप submit करना चाहते हो वो categories available हैं. Then you will go and submit the website. Let's suppose I have to, which website I would like to submit. Let's suppose I would like to submit RO Wala. In which category you can submit? Then you will find the most closed categories. Let's suppose if you are not finding any close, health can be the closed categories, or if you are not finding the closed category, you can submit it into the business and finance. And then you can submit into the business and finance. These are the submitted article. If your website will appear, then your website will also displayed here. There is a very fantastic tool I will share. Have you heard about RoboForm? There is no summation option. Power lost. Shakesh, are you back? Lifestyle. Sakesh, are you back now? Are you guys are back now? Yes. So what I mean to say that you have to, this is a very time consuming process. You have to go and explore. You have to go and explore each website related to your topic, related to your business. And then you have to go and create the account. सबसे जो time consuming, that is a very tedious and monotonous work kind of thing, is you have to go and create the account. On each website you have to submit the same kind of information. आपके website का नाम क्या है, website का title क्या है, description क्या है, address क्या है, phone number क्या है, products क्या है, that you have to provide all these details to this website. So in that case, one tool is very helpful for you, that RoboForm. You can download the RoboForm. You can note it down somewhere. RoboForm. You can create account on the RoboForm. In RoboForm, you can create the identities. And when you will click on that identity will get filled in this form while creating the account. So that Buzzle is not allowing you to register. अभी कहीं पे वो register का options भी नहीं दे रहा है. I'm just showing in the engine article. Engine में submit करने के लिए you have to either आपका account बना हुआ है तो sign in करेंगे, account नहीं बना हुआ है तो join करेंगे. Auto form, yes Satya, very right. Auto fill form also there. ये RoboForm is one of the auto fill form, auto form fill up. So to sign up on these, you have to provide these kind of details. Might be you have to create hundreds of accounts with these details. Email ID क्या है, verify करना, उसका password डालना, first name, last name, address, cities, you have to create. So are you okay with creating the account? Can you guys create the account on this such website? कितने लोग अकाउंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं? ओके ओके, सो व्हाट योर नेक्स्ट टास्क? अभी आज के टाइम में अभी आप लोग को नेक्स्ट टास्क, कल कल एवरीवन विल बी रेडी विद दैट टास्क. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड 2 वेबसाइट इन ईच कैटेगरी वेयर यू कैन क्रिएट द अकाउंट. ये जो लिस्ट है, ऑफ पेज काम का जो लिस्ट है, डायरेक्टरी, आर्टिकल, प्रेस रिलीज, जीओवी, ईडीयू, फोरम, क्वेश्चन आंसर, ब्लॉग कमेंटिंग, गेस्ट ब्लॉगिंग, क्लासिफाइड, मार्केट प्लेस, सोशल बुक मार्किंग, बिजनेस लिस्टिंग. You have to find 2 website in each category, right? You have to find 2 website in each category. Are you guys can do that? Right? So you have to find 2 website in each category and there you have to create account. आपको वेबसाइट फाइंड करनी है. वेबसाइट फाइंड करने के बाद उस वेबसाइट पे अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है. नेक्स्ट इज you have to find the 2 website in each category. Then next you have to create the account there, and then you have to verify the account, right? You are the human being, you are not robot. That's why you have to verify the account, and after verifications you have to submit the content. Content क्या submit करना है? Either you can submit your own website or I will give you the content to submit in each site. Yes, each of you. I will give you the website title, website descriptions, website URL, and that details you have to submit in these website. Website से related articles, website से related. Are you guys can you do that? आप लोग सब लोग ये काम कर सकते हो? In each website. Yes. Okay. सो टुमारो ईच ऑफ यू विल शेयर. जैसे ही क्लास कल स्टार्ट होगी सबसे पहले आपको अपने 2 वेबसाइट, हर एक कैटेगरी के 2 वेबसाइट सबमिट करने हैं. हर एक कैटेगरी के 2 वेबसाइट सबमिट कर रहे हैं विथ योर अकाउंट ऑन दैट. अभी आप अपनी वेबसाइट नहीं सबमिट करोगे उसमें, बट जिस पावर लॉस्ट, व्हाट हैपेंड? Okay, Satya is fine. If your website is not ready yet, you will just create the account. I will give you the website to submit there. More than half people are disconnected. कौन से लोग disconnect हो गए? Okay, I can see Agni is disconnected, Bhanu is disconnected, Bharadwaj is disconnected, Sai is disconnected. Anyways, Shakesh is saying power lost. Okay, so anyways, just I'm not starting a new topic, so one can. I'm not sharing the new topic. I'm just sharing that the topic which we have already discussed, off-page activities. You have to find 2 website in each category, and in each category you have to create your own account. And tomorrow I will submit. I will give you the details to submit there. Nalini, okay, Shakesh is fine with it. Okay, so we have done. Can we start one new topic? How you can make your website tracking? How you can make your website where you can track all the activities on your website? That is the new topic we would like to start. But how many of you are offline? कितने लोग offline हो? कितने लोग online है? कितने लोग offline है? Okay, Shakesh, I can understand. So, is it right to start a new topic? Mm, mm, mm. Is Nalini is there? Is Nalini is there? Ma'am, please wait for 5 minutes. Retiring. Okay. Okay. Just let me know if you guys are ready. Just let me know.